Okay, we're back with another video. Today we're going to talk about how you're going to be able to get your first 1,000 followers on Instagram. These aren't going to be bot followers, they're going to be active followers that are going to like your posts. So let's just get right into it. The first thing is consistency is key. This method is going to show you fast results, but for your best results, you're going to need to keep doing it. And just going to say this right now, this method is going to take time. It's not organic. You're going to be rushing and you're going to be pushing it, but you're going to get your 1,000 followers in even possibly a week. So that's really good. So the method is known as the follow for follow method. I've talked about this method before. I'll do a more in-depth video. Just comment it down below if you want to see that. Essentially, when you follow people on Instagram, they're likely to scroll through your page and engage with their content. And when they engage with their content, they like what they see, so they will follow you back. The average follow back rate on accounts that I have run, like they're even in the 200 and 300,000 followers, you get around 40%. So an example is if you follow 100 people, 40 people are likely to follow you back. If you are getting lower numbers than this, like in the 20% or 30% range, you're doing something wrong and you might not be targeting the right audience. So just be aware of that. Key notes is your account needs to be like optimized and has to hook the viewer's attention, because if they see your account and they just think it's like a bot scam account, they're just gonna like move on with their lives and they're not gonna follow you back. And only do this method until you're at around 4,000 followers. Because once you're at around 4,000 followers, Instagram will just pick up your content and push it out to people. So there's really no need to do it after that. And I'll make a step-by-step video on like how you can find your content, repost the content, and everything like that. If this video gets 50 likes, if you want me to run and grow your business or creator page on Instagram, just DM me. My username's in the caption. I'm also gonna start doing consulting, so if you're interested in that, just like DM me on IG, and I got you. Subscribe if this video helped you, and stay tuned for the next one.